Hey folks, greetings from the Sony booth at CP Plus. The lens that I came here to check out is their new 24 to 50 f2.8 G Master. And I haven't read all the comments on other content, but I have a feeling it's going to go somewhere along the lines of, why do we need this? It overlaps with so many. They have so many lenses in this general range from 16 to 35s to 24 to 70s, 24 to 120s, and so on and so forth. But I think there is a real use case for this lens. Of course, the direct competitor is probably going to be the 24 to 70 G Master version 2, which I have been shooting with a lot on this trip. It's so small and light and compact. It's a great lens for travel. And it does overlap or cover that range entirely, and they're both G Master lenses. So let's take a look around the new one and have a discussion about how the specifications of the two differ.
Now, I don't know exactly what I was expecting, but I was surprised by just how small and light the 24 to 50 actually is. Comparing it to the latest 24 to 70, which is itself already a lot smaller than most other 24 to 70s, this one is 1.2 inches shorter, or about 3 centimeters shorter. But interesting to note, whilst the 24 to 70 extends as you zoom to the longer end, the 24 to 50 actually extends as you zoom backwards to 24. So it's actually its smallest at 50 and its longest at 24 mil. It's got a simpler construction with 16 elements in 13 groups, still has 11 aperture blades. Instead of an 82 mil front filter, we're now talking a 67, and it only weighs 1 pound. So literally half a pound less than the 24 to 70, or about 40–45% lighter than the Nikon 24 to 70. Now, it has got a narrower focal range and it's not a G Master compared to the 24 to 70, but I was pleasantly surprised to see it's less than half the price at $1,100. If you're in the US and you're looking to buy, check it out at B&H Photo. If you use Paybu, which is B&H Photo's in-store payment card, it will instantly credit you back the amount of sales tax on your order, which can quickly add up. I did get some hands-on time to shoot with it just at the booth, but it was fast, responsive, accurate autofocus, everything that I would expect from, a modern Sony lens. I only got a handful of sample files, but I'll make them available for you to download. You can check them out over at learn.mattgranger.com. Whilst you're there, I have a bunch of sales up for CP Plus. I'll have a link to all of those below, and depending on what mirrorless system you're with, I have 3 different expert setup guides now that walk you through the entire ranges, what all of the different menu items do, as well as how to customize the cameras for your style of shooting. You can check out details on those ones below as well.
So what do we think of this as a release? I think I have to put Sony in its own category here. If this were Canon or Nikon or pretty much anyone else, I'd be saying, like a lot of you probably are, that they should have focused on developing this or that or this or that different products before making yet another overlapping standard zoom. But this is Sony. Sony has such a wide range of lenses on the market already, and practically, it seems, unlimited resources for development. Things generally aren't sold out or back ordered anymore. So it's not like they're making this at the expense of something else that's, missing in the lineup. And is this for you? Well, it really comes down to, if you already own the 24 to 70, I wouldn't buy it, despite the fact that you're saving that half a pound. But go into your Lightroom or whatever photo software you use, check out on a lens with a focal length that covers that, and see how often are you in the 24 to 50 range and how often are you in the 50 to 70 range. If you're generally most of the time in the 24 to 50 range, then doesn't it make sense to save that extra weight, save $1,000, and get the smaller, more compact 24 to 50 offering? It's not going to suit everyone, but Sony's market is so big that it's fine. They can make things even if only a portion of their market are actually going to take advantage of them. Let me know what you guys think. Do check out the sales that I have going on below, as well as Paybu. I'll see you guys later.